All right, so once you're in your YouTube channel, and then like I said, I went to YouTube Studio. To upload a video, all you're going to do is you can click Upload Video right here. This is go live, so don't do that with students. Or you can click on Create and then Upload Video. So the tools are either place. And then wherever you saved your video that you created, then you could drag and drop from the desktop into here, or you could go to Select File. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do that adding link to your staff directory. One. And then it's going to upload here. You can rename it right here. You are required to have a title. You can do a little description, but you don't have to. And then here you can assign it to a playlist. So this is really nice because if you have multiple math videos, you could create a math video playlist by clicking New Playlist. I'm just going to call that one Math. And then visibility is kind of nice because then you can always assign it to unlisted and then hit Create. So now that's going to go, actually it doesn't go in there. I have to still check math on that since that's a list that I made. And then this you have to choose if it's made for kids or not. And I'm going to say this one's not, so no, it's not made for kids. The ones that you are doing, you would say yes, made for kids. And then that's basically all you're going to do. Here's your URL for the video, so you can copy that video link. And then once you copy that video link, it's really easy to put into a Google slideshow. I'm going to click next, and then I'm not going to worry about any of this stuff. I'm going to click next again, and then save or publish. It says just double checks unlisted, and then we're going to click save. Okay, there's that link again, and close. Then I'm done. My video is uploaded. It might take a little bit of time to upload there, so you could insert it into a PowerPoint or into whatever web page or whatever you're doing, and then go from there.